Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the ISX3300 zero-turn mower. There is a 60-inch fabricated steel cutting deck. There are large 360 front casters. This mower does have a removable floor panel for access to your spindles and cutting deck. There is a high back suspension seat. You have your gauge for your seat as well. There are double fuel tanks as well as your fuel gauge on each side of your seat. There is a 60-inch cutting deck. You have the Hercules cast iron spindles. This mower does have the ICD cutting deck system. There are large 26-inch rear tires. Coming along to the rear of this mower, there is a 158-degree rollover protection system. You have your spray blocking fenders around your engine, as well as the Vanguard 40 horsepower EFI-ETC engine with the oil guard that has a 500-hour oil change interval. There are dual commercial hydro gear ZT5400 transaxles with 9-inch cooling fans. You have your fuel tank on this side as well with the controls and USB port as well as your throttle. This mower has a rubber chute that does flip up. There is a cutting height adjustment of 1 inch to 5 inches. You have a pedal for your deck. This mower has the forefront suspension system and has a top forward speed of 12 miles per hour. Once again, this is the Ferris ISX3300 zero-turn mower. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.